Malolong malia ho eiki milele e tonga hono kotoa. Fefia ke taritali leiki mautol ke o mo unia ngongo me le tio ke o maafu ke televiso ni tonga ki he houani. Wakai ko ia ki he ngahi ulu i ngongo. Ma ua tamata pule ta ufangu fulmao no mei futu e ua i he vei hala kone osi malolo. Me e pale mia o tonga no pele whawhanua i hono katoa ngai e ta unongo fulmafa o i tau ataina i ha amua i he ahoni. Pea whahai Minista Whanua me kolowhai na tola e whawholao mai kau savea fisi mei fisi ke tokoni ki hono tofi e ngahi kilikili o ku te eki malawa ke tofi i Tongani. E te iaipe me ngahi talanoa ke he anayang e whakataha me wakai ki he whamimita mei he mala e o sipoti kai umaafo ke whamatala ea. Kai wakai lewa e ni ki he whakai ki ko au sanolita tui vai. Ko lipoti pele ko te kau polisi ai maua Tongatapu le tau whango fulmao no mei futu no foanga ha e ua e whaosinga e wike i he vei hala kua ne osi malolo. I he whaike eke a ngonga le tio tonga mai pule aptanga polisi Tongatapu hala toa tau whana ane pihe whafuafua ke he taimi fitu pongpongi o aho toko naki. Nei maua he aptanga polisi e wa a lipoti whikau aki mo e matapule nei maua tu i he tau mua o e api i e sia e wa kua ne osi malolo. Whatatau ke whamatala ko tāna ke he kau polisi ko matapule ko e ni na ane kau i ha whakatahaanga i he api i e sia o maukawa malohi ai mo ni i hi kehe pea mawahe me he api i he taimi wha henghengi o e aho toko naki ai pe.
Whapapau iai koe pekia, koe matapule e tau whao no ia pe fotu kau no whanga ha. O whakakato ai pe ngau e koe na pai kau polisi ki he sino pe no whahaere ki whare mahaki. Koe tuko e taimini ua tonga lere a ngau e kau polisi ki he case koe ni. Koe pe a ngai whamoni ke i hoko ate ngau e ki ai pule polisi e wā pa pe heke toinga kau patotolo. Ngari ke kaha ua me mai e toki lava o whakaiki iki atu ai ngahi whamoni, ngahi mea whilawe pe moe keisi koe ni. Mahi no peku, koe tuko e taimini, mahi no peku e pekia. Pea koe pekia o ku lotonga i he malumalu e kau polisi, koe ki lotonga lere whatotolo ki he ia koe ni. Koe whatatau ki he mea koku, wala maa koe taimini i he report me kau polisi. Koe wakai whamui peki he pekia na whao koe nau inu i he api i esia, koe ne mawahe he taimi wha hengi me he api koe na nau maukawai. Pea toki reporti koe ki a polisi he taimi fitu hengi aho tatau pe, tōnaki, whalaite ke tōnaki. Ai koe tūngai ku ai koe ngāwe ko whao kau polisi, ke hoko pe ngāwe. Kore peki he hoi kau maka kai whonua, ma winga upito e tau tokoni, e mo e tau mau hawhamata, hawe ki he a polisi of ta. Koe wike tokoni ki he ngāwe ku whao kau polisi. Tau whatonga iange koe peki aini, pa koe mou ieni more, koe tamai ieni. Pea ku whambe ke tau ngau whetoni aki. O kai ni ihi nau whelawe i tonu, pea mo e peki a koe ni. Mau i ngai ake nau tariu i ai koe whatatau ki he lao. Pea ku maino pe koe keis koe ni ku whelawe i e pe pea mo e olkaholo, pea pe mo e whamanatu ke tau kakai whonua, au inga ke tau ngau whetoni aki i he tawha koe ni, koe ui koe kongalahi ia ngā hia o ku hoko, pe koe ngā hia o ku i pereprenges, pe koe mamawhaange, o koe ane whelawe i tonu mea pa oka horo.
Kai ke he nei tuku mai e pē whale i atauwha ki he kakai o whanua, ki he taime ma o kawa mālohi ki te whakapotopoto ange i he mahino o ia e whelawe i tonu, ai pekia ko e ni mai ma o kawa mālohi.
O ku osi whakamoni i pia e potunga polisi, pe whamamani lahi. Ko kawa mālohi, ko mendravia o e hia, ngā i hia lalahi. Kai ke ngata pe halapure a ngā, ka koe a hia koe tau noko wha sosiare, o kawai mo e whapo. Pea ko whampeke te whamanatu peki ka kai whanua, mau inga pito e. Whapato mau ake ka malo i tapu, o hi ke tau malawa pe o mapure, taimi o ku hoko mai ai ha ngai paraparema, ko hi e wau ke ai mau ko ka malo i tapu, o ko ngai whainga tau te fulahi ake. Au koe pe kore, ke tau ngai whataha i tawa ko ia, ko hi koe malo mo ha o tau nofo i community pa pe fuki ala pure anga.
O ku mahino o ku te eki ke puke hataha pe whakailo o i aiha ani whailawa i tonu me malolo ai matapuleni. Kai ke hoko hoko atu pe whakatotola kau polisi ke tupu anga to tonu ai malolo ai matapule ko e ni. O ku lolotonga mea ai eiki pale mia o Tongano pele whawhanua i Samoa i he ahoni ke kau ngā kau i hono katoa ngai ai tau na ngufuru mawha ai tau ataina i Samoa. Ko e hiri eni ai mau ai pale mia ha whakawhi mi he pale mia o Samoa la auli lea malie toa shamits ke me atu ke kau whakataha i hono katoa ngai o e o wauni. Koe o wauni na e henghengi atuai ai fuukakai e lau yafe ke he malai o ti a whao mulinu u ke katoanga i ai aho mahu ingani. Ne kamata aki ai o wauni, katoanga ta unongo fulmawha e tau ataina o Samoa aki ai fusi fuka pe he kino talitali o e taki o Samoa a whioanga tui maleali whano wa alea toa sua lauvi iua o ne me ai o ki he mahu inga ke ki whakamahu inga i ai aho ko ini ka uhiko historia o Samoa. Nai whakahoko ai laka whakatea kau polisi pe he ke laka ai ngahi ako anga me ngahi potu ngā we. Kai ke hau kau whakataha i he katoanga ko ini, ai tau atai no Samoa mo e ki sea whalealea ofisi Honourable Filimone Chitoko, Minister ki Murianu Usila, Right Honourable Winston Peters, pe ke kau taki maulunga i e ngahi whanua o e Pasifiki. Ko e tahaine ngahi makatuunga o kutua iai ai ngā ue te potungai whanua me kolowhkai na tula, ki hono tofi e ngahi api ni ihi ko e hui ko tono no whakakau ngā ue, pe toko sii ai kau ngā ue o kunau whakahoko ai ngā ue ko e ni. Nei whakahoko ai pe whakahai he Minister whanua me kolowhkai na tula, kua pau ke whawholau mai kau sawe mi fisi ke tokoni ki hono tofi e ngahi ko ngā api ko ia o ko te eki ke whaiha ngā ue ki ai. Li te atau kapa mo whakaiki iki.
I e ene pehe, ko whakahai he Minister whanua me koloa whakai na tula toke tāta niela fusmalohi. Ko tali he pure anga ofisi ke whakawhalau mai ha kau savea me fisi ke tokoni ke kau savea i Tongani i ono tofi e ngai kele o ku te eki ke tofi. O ku whakafuafua koe loti e whawhi tupu o ku kei whakatatali ke tofi. Ne ongo ia, o te eki ke mahino koe haa e tokolahi e kau savea ka koe kau fisi o ku teu ke whawhalau mai ki Tongani.
Wa malola ke Minister whanua fisi e ne loto tō e mautala noa whanai te kuosi. Ke nau tokoni mai ke savea. Ko ne tūko e ni o ku ia e loti e whawhi tupu. Ai koe api kolo, mo e api tuku hau, mo e api tuku hau o ku wahe. O ku tō e ke savea. Ko no mahu inga, he kai ke o atu ha o titi, me ha o tohi mau api. Ka ua ko savea hau api. Ma kono mahu inga wha ekonomika, mo ilope. O ngā ke he malu i haki no. Ke langa hawhale, pe koe ai ha business. O mahu inga kele. Kai ke tari he ngai pankeye, pe ngai whituko whai mea no. Hato e mea koe whi mahu o titi ke oa. Koe whaafe koe ia, koe mau iwi savea koe, i mau ki kau ngai koe loto, timpe nima. Koe whangeau pe he tau, whi lot pe whangeau. E tau he ngofuru pato koe pe loko. Koe ke tuku e tānaki mai au e lahi koe whi mau savea. Ai koe mau ngā reu whai koe whakangofua e kau savea me tua i hoku mawhai ke nau mai o tokoni ki ngai koe. Ange rewa nau ngai whitu ke whae savea. Ai koe te ke mahino po koe kau savea e toko whiha e o mai me fisi. Koe ngahi timia e mau i Tongan. E kau ngai koe ke nau ngai me kau savea. Koe whi mau he lao e kau professional surveyor so nau qualify. Pai ange rewa nau laiseni permit e au. Nau whai rewa ngai koe nio tokoni mai. Pai kou tui koe tau whapanga whau nau haue. Pai kore peke pulanga ke tokoni peke no totonge nau e awhia pa mo nau nofo. Maa angea no maha ngai kau taha. Savea taha e te nau ki mama. Ko tua, mau e peti mi savea ua ku toi tua ke na toko ni mai, kai ke life e unga. Ako winga mau tala noi me kau savea ko mi fisi ke na umai.
Kai kehe, koe palane pot ngawe ko ini ki he tofe ngai kele o kia ia whaka amu ea o ki he tau whakapaanga hoko, ko lava ai ko ngalahi i he loti e whaa whetupu o kutoe ke whai hangawe ki ai. Mai o ngongale te o televisione Tonga, ko auritea Tongatapu.
Ko e tahane ka weinga na e lahi ke lau lea mohana whehu ia e he kakai e whanua e tuunga o kia e paanga no tau no miliona ni tali whale lea tau ko o si ke whakaata ke no mi e kakai o tau te whito ke sektoa ngowe, sektoa tau tai, sektoa taki mamata mo e businessi tau taha. Ne au mai ki konga ki mua e tau ni, mo kei ata ne nefupe ai no ko e ni i he mahino ai lava ate kakai ke whakahoko ai no ko e ni he pankelanga whakalakalaka o Tonga, mo te eki lava ke tukuange mai ai paanga ko e ni. Li te atau kapo ai pe mo e whaikiki.
Na e tok whakaha e palemia no pele whakawhanua i he whakatahama kehe me kau whaiongongo i whalai te wike kua o si, na e tok whakaata pe ai no maa ko e ni i maasi o e tauni. Whakatatau ki whepōtara no aki me pankelanga whakalakalaka, koe paanga pe e ni e 3 miliona ko ngawe aki. Ka nai mea e palemia o ku fuufie mau ke vilo ai paanga ko e ni ki tu aki he kakai, ke whakawhainga maali e aki e nau ngawe, ai nai wahe i e paanga o whakatau mua ke tokonia ki nau tolu.
He mau whatano pa mo pi panke TTP, mahino mai talo no whahu mai paanga ko ia to mi whai paanga, o kamata mai po ka mano ko no mama ko ia i he TTP me maas, o a mai ke mahinan ke mahina pene tolu, o mahino mai ko paanga pe 3 miliona, me hongo 4 miliona ko iai ko osi, hono tari ke tuku atu. Pea ko tau mua ko ni ai tano pa me TTP, whemahe pure anga ke ua mohe paanga, kai ngawe. Ko tau mua ko no wahe me whare area, ai paanga lahi ko ni wahe ke whaivia e ke kakai, ke ne whaivia e kakai ka oa whaatungi ai, ko uhi ko hangahi tutun ngawe, ai panke. Ai kau e review ko ni whahoko he taimini, i hono whenga ke horoke ngahi awai vai ne hanga whaatungi ai, hono tuku atu ngahi no.
Lolo tonga e ni, nai toi mea a whakawhanua o pehe, koe makatuunga ai tuai e tukuangi atu ai paanga ke ngawe aki e he kakai, koe uhi ka ngahi pole na e whehangahangai me panke.
Paka ngahi pole kau ne hanga whaatungia i no maa o ku kamata pe me he tono no i he me tawhaki koe ni e whao ngai whamatal whapaanga. Ai o sa loto pe ia i are pau koe ni e whapaanga pa mo i TTP, koe nau whatongia o kau ki ai hono a ko i kakai, ke nau poto hono whao ngai whamatal paanga. Ua ki ai, koe tono no he tawhaki koe ni ai collateral pe koe malu i, mahino ka pau mau a pito mo mau po opo whamatal paanga, i he ngai whema o whakapanke, whemau ke kakato pa mo collateral o, pa iene pehe o whai ngāwe, ke whao ha loan guarantee, ke malu i he pure anga, ai ni ihi, ko tau pehe pe waiua e nau whakakato ai ngai whemau koe panke. O ka pau ki kai lava ai collateral, kai lava ai whamatala paanga, ke whatonge pure anga, ke ne hanga whaivia i kakai, ke nau lava access ai paanga koe ni o ku tau mua ke whaivia ki nau tolu. Ai koe ngahi kau ia ngahi liriu mau siu ki ai, kau ki ai ngahi limit, pehe whoki ki hono whakatangata ki ngahi no for all pe, geni ihu o si ai nau ngahi no, pe au whemau ke whangofua refinance, ko uhi pe ke whawhainga fuai ai toko ni ki au tonu ai paanga koe ni o swahe ma kehe ke whaivia ai aki ai kakai kou whaingata ia i nau ngahi businessi.
Kai kehe, koe paanga no maa koe ni, ne talia i he tau whapaanga lolo tonga, o whakataumua ke no mea i ai kau ngowe, kau tautai me ngahi businessi tau taha, koe uhi ke whakawhainga malie i a e nau ngahi ngāwe o whakahoko. Mai o ngonga le te o televisione Tonga, ko auritea Tongatapu.
Pea ko whaha me he panke pule whakawhunua a Tonga. o tūlawe ngofua a Tongani ke hiki ko ia ai totongi o i koloa whaloto whanua pea mo i tō lalo ai tuunga whaka-ekonomika whalokufua. O kuma tuunga e ni mei he ki hoko hoko a te whita aki i he hake loto i he hile ne mahina tōle whita aki Amerika mo Iran pea ku kei tuuta e pāwai pe e tūkunga tau te whito ki he mauanga i vi mo i halanga waka ki hono uta mai e kola lolo e i kuwe sia lahi e ngai halanga waka whawhituu o ku fōu mai ai ai waka lolo o ku uta mai ki Tongani. I he ene pehe ka hui ko ngari e te ki loloang e wesia ko e ni. E malawa ke te hiki tō ai maalunga e totongi koloa lolo hu mai mo i ngai whakamole ki he uta ai koloa wakatahi. Pea mo i wesia e ngai halanga ki he hu koloa mai mei tua pule a ngā. I hangongo tuku atu mei he panke pule whawhanua tonga whatatau ki he mahina i taha ono ko hili. Ko toki le kote ne panke ai hiki lahi e totong koloa whakalukufua ki he peseti e nima te smali nima i he mahina ko e pele li. Ai a koe fofua taimia ki hiki maalunga pehea e totong koloa i he mahina i taha ono ko hili. Koe koloa na hiki lahi taha koe koloa whewhanunga aki pea hoko ki ai mea toko ni hu mai. I he ene pehe na hike pe me se vesi ki ngai mea tokon whakaloto whanua o hange ko totongi i he ngahi whalikai. O ke whawhuafua e ko wane panke pule whawhanua tonga tatafu moyaki ko e whawhuafua ke kaha o. E malawa ki te maalunga, ange a totongi koloa pehe ki he totongi e tute i ngai koloa o ko humai ki Tongani. Kai kehe e ke muimui i pehe panke pule whawhanua tonga a e totono pea mai totongi e ngai koloa me atokon whakaloto whanua, pea ki he hiki ko ia o e totongi o i ngai koloa i Tongani. Uni o ngongo whakaloto whanua pea ki hauan te tawa kailiwa eni ke he whakamuimui taha me he mala ai o sipoti o kahili eni pea mo pia olie.
I he whetaki nima e komisoni whamawhora rea tonga me potungau e ngahi ngau e whakaloto whanua pe mia. Malawa i ke whamawhola te mala e sipoti me whiau hi Super Rugby Pacific Manoa Uano. Whamalo ke Eik Minista me ka whaaki sipoti a e potunga we i whenga e aki ua whakahoko. Malo tau ki whilongoa ki koe wakai ni ki mala e o e sipoti. E mala koe e fuhu na e whakawao e kalapu fuhu e Sunrise me he toa ko maafu. E fuafua whiau he kau fuhu atonga ki he wanoa wano. E whare whamahasino sonia mawhili eo i hala ano e whasinga o e wike. Whare tau ki he whamatala me he sigeitari a e kau taha e loni tāme i lau. O whawhiawhia e kamata e whiau hini e mahino ku iai e whanau tare niti ia i he fuhu. Pe au ku iai e tua meri e ki hano whafunga e whanua a kaha o.
Tonga e unga ko ki whiau pufua pe au ki ko ia competition ko ni hili ia ai pa e ono hoko. Tako tui ko e mea whawhiawhia. Mawhiawhia no ko tau pe me i nara ui ke malai kua i malai whakolo. Ko e tan pena ki whakaiki ke tunga ko ne e puhu. Wada whakamalo ula ka pe wata e whafunga e whakamalo lo tonga i ki kau ni kalapu.
Nei pehe e tāmi lau o mahino e mateu teu lele e ngahi kalapu i hono wawa mai e tare ni te whanau ke nau whari ari i he mala e fuhu amatua.
Koe mea kumahau inga taha koe lawa ke nau kamata e. Ea koe ngahi kalapu ke koe ni mea koe mahalo koe kalapa hokoa. Mahalo koe iene kau wakete toki. Kokatrai ka kono tuata tatu koe ata. E pende koe me kalahe ki koe ne kalapu. Koe ne tuia kia e ola koe ia e mapopate tola e i te ahu nga sai koe na o competition e tōna.
O tonga ni o ku tai maari e mo e whanau whewhine i e sipotini. Wei e whakaamu e toi tola hiang he kaha o i hono whakaau ngai pia mo toi tokanga kina honau tare ni ti.
Ia e ka kai whewhine ku si o ku i e kaha ulelei e ku lawa poke sea pe spoti koe ni he ku lawa pe anga whainga maari ke kai whine. Kata anga pe whainga maari ke kai tangata. Papi tia upit. Wei e poto a meri e ke ni iti kai whine. O tui koe nei po i hoa pe whine e ua nei lawa te aki pa kua pito e nahi i pe au i koea.
Kai ke heku teu ki hoko atu e konga hono wahi whasinga e mahina ni ai e te taki a he kalampu fuhu a longolongo peu i loa koea koe Sunrise Boxing Club.
Ko pia o lie mai whamumita me he mala e o sipoti, te tawa kai lewa heni ki he tuunga o ea, tuku mai me senta whamatala ea tonga i whamutu, pia mova yola vai Nikolo.
Malo lau malia hau e ki mo lelea tonga kotoa. Tai te lelea pe ki mo tolu i he aho uluaki o e mahina fo au tau lakai. Mahina ko ia ko sune pa mo e tau wakai ki hanga tu ai ea i he otu tonga. Ngai tala no lalahi ko ia o e whiawhini. Ko i hoko hoko te hako hako i e otu tonga. Pa ni ke o mai pe hangai uha tu mo toke ngai whetu pe e ni ihi. E tau whanonga tu ko ia huke ni. Tuke tau toka wakai amuiangi ke no whai ki pa me hala whanonga e hako hako. I he ne toka holo atu e konga loto ko ia o e wikeni. I misi sate lai tēne o e aho ni tau wakai ko ia ke o tonga ngai konga ao ma o lalo pēni na e kolosi i e o tonga pēni whatupa ngai uha tu moto ke ngai whetu pe e ni i he o tonga tau whanonga mai e aho ni hoko atu pēmui hako hako pēmui hake pēmui tonga hahake pē ai hoko pe atu he hewa ua wha ko ia ka hoko mai ngai tu ai ea i he o tu tonga. Ngahi whatoka ngai kei whahano tukatuka whatoka ngā hako hako, ke hoko kat pēnu tukat ke kotoa o e ngai vai whanua o e o tonga e whiawhini. Ko e tau ngai potahi kei tukatu pē whatoka ngā hako hako, kei maa e whale ke ngai whakatau taiki. Mundu e tokanga ngai taimi koe au whai ai o ki tahi, ke kotoa pē potahi o tonga ko hi, ko ke ia o ko ia ai malohi o e havili ki he hako hako. Ahe ni makai ka hako mai ka mata a pongi he tau wakai ke Pasifiki ngai sistem lalahi o kneanga o pule e anga tu ai ea he o tonga. Ko e a pongi ke hokat pe hanga he alumali e koe ni whakatonga hake o pule i hake ai anga tu ai ea he o tonga. Ai lahi ang koe taimi alumali ai pe a pehe foki ke ni whetuk tuku mai hako hako pe me hake pe mo tonga hahake a pongi o hoko atu ai. Mo wakai mai peki te ritonga pa mo te rito klau, a pongi ko te ka ke hawilio a ngai pa me to klau hake i te ritonga pa mo te rito klau, me ke hahake mai ngai vai whanua e whatonga, pe ke hoka te tonga hake i he ngai o tumotu ko ia ki toke lau. Koe hala whanunga o hako hako koe ni, o whafua ki holo atu ia i te ritonga pa mo te rikito ke lau, kei ma a Tongatapu mo ewa i he whiawhi pule lulu ko ia wikeni. Pe e toki holot i he pongpong tua pule lulu ki wawao kei ma a otu haapai. Pe pehe foki e hoko atu pe hako e koe ni i ongo ni wa o au ki whakasinga ko ia o e wikeni. Katu ke tau wakai ki anga. Ai whanonga e alomali e pai mo ne pule e alomali he o tonga. Ngahi ko ngā ao uha, pe koe uha alotamai uha lai, no wholopeo tau potai whatonga i fo. Kai ga hane wesia ke o tonga. Pea koe alomali e koe ni e ne tokai whasinga e wikeni i he ta whaki whatonga hahake tonga hake o tonga. Ne ke o mai pe alomali e mo wakai me ke o tonga. Hoko kei tuwhinga mali e matang le leipe. Pea alomali e koe hako pe te tau whiawat pea moia. Pea alpe taimi ke te ka ke whasinga o ia wike alpe ke toke lau hake. Ai havili i Tongatapu pea mo ewa hoko at pe. Ai hahake tonga hahake ko ia hawili he ngai utmoto atu ko ia ki toke lau pea moia o ko ia hawili ke malohi o hako he ongo niwa e whasinga ko ia o e wike. Ko e whamatala ea lewa ko ia ki he e whiawhini o a o ki ahengi ai au ki hoko atu pe foki ai pule i he alomali e ne o mai ai matanglelei pe ko e afua alomali ai o tonga. Iai pe ngai uha tu moto whakawhetu upe ngai ko ngā ao ma o lalo pe ni ne o mai ngai uha tu moto ko e ni ke ngai whetu upe ni i pōni o a o ki a hengi. Ma ili moko ko ia e ai pōni o a o ia ke ma o lalo ke tiklisi o te se tāhiwa wanoa ngahi vai whanua ko e ni ki he ta whakatonga Tongatapu pe mo eua tiklisi o te se wawat ki wawao pe mo i otu haapai. Moko le lea pito o ngoni wa he tiklisi o te se ua tolu ki he pōni. Ka tau wakai koe kia pongi o ke hoko atu pe, kai kia hafu liliu i he otu tonga, kai uhi he koe alomari e pe une ke hanga, i he whakatonga hake une ke hanga pule i ai tuunga o he ea he o tonga he hoa ua whakahako mai. Hoko atu ai ulolelei mai fufonga o e laa, he o tu tonga pe lahi alo maali e pe mawhana lelei pe fua mawhana he o tonga pongi mawhana taka tiglisio te ase e waono ngai vai whanua koe no Tongatapu mo ewa o a ke he tiglisio te ase wa walo a pongi ke o ni wa pe ke hokat pe hako a pongi o a ke mali tahe wani ma ki tono ke hoa ngai tai me tau ngai potahi pe a whai a tokanga ma ke heat ke hanki wakatou tai ki a toi tokanga ange e he hokat koe ni koe hui he oku ke hoko atu pe ai hako i he ngai potahi kotoa o e o tutonga. Taimi koe e tahi ai au tau maali e pōni e toi kuata ke hiva. Pea e toki whono hifo ia mahatoka he hawhi ko ia ai tolu a hengi. Whangai lupe ke hopo hake la a pongi o songo fulpe me fitu. Pea ku mahina tu e fiafi fuki tai mini ai e tō e mahina i he walu tolu e pongi a pongi ai a oku o si hopo foke mahina e fiafini ai oku tu e fiafia o pito pe hopo e fiafia o pito e mahina ai i he weekend a hoi ni makoia ka hoko mai ai koe toi ngani whamatala e ke weekend iai pe hangai uhatu mo tō whawhi tuu e tau whanonga tuko ia toi ngā oe wikeni. Ka kulahiangi taimi ko ia e alo maali e pia whaika maali e ke whai o tau ngai whatongia ke i he afua ko ia e tuunga oe ia i Nuku'alofani i e toi ngā oe wikeni whatonga e whako e hako e holo atu i Nuku'alofani i e whiawhi pule lulu pia e matangi lele e toi ngā ko ia oe wikeni. Ma whana lele pe fua ma whana i Nuku'alofani he tigrisio tasi ua fitu ki he ua walo he tau whanonga te toi ngā oe wikeni. Pe koe lava ka katu e au mo whamatala ea ki he whiawhini kai malo apito mo mea mai ka mo mea.
Malo apito vai o lawa i Nikolo, me whamimitaha i e tuunga o ea ki hawani, ka ki mo apatau mawai, tau te wakaipe ni ki he ngahi ulo i o ngō. Ma ua tamata pule tau whanga fulmao no mei futu e ua i he vei hala kone o si malolo. Mea pale mia o tonga no pele whawhanua i hano katoa ngai, e tau nongo fulmawha o i tau ataina i ha amoa i he ahoni. Pea whahai Minister Whanua me kolofa na tula e whawholau mai kau savea fisi mei fisi ke tokoni ki hono tofi ngai kilikili o ku te eki malawa ke tofi i tongani. Pea me kakate pe mo uni o ngongo i lea whatonga me letio ka umaafu televisioni tonga ki hawani i e whaamane au tono at kilota whale ai tonga hono kotoa. Whamalo te tau kewhi au mai ko snoli tatu i vai ka mumea. Good evening and welcome to your English news package with radio and television Tonga news for tonight. Making headlines, 46-year-old man from Futu'ewa found dead on the roadside. Tonga Prime Minister Latu Whanua attend Samoa 64th independence celebrations today, and Tonga ran report to rising prices due to ongoing Middle East conflict. We'll have these and more stories later on in the bulletin together with sports to wrap up with the latest weather updates. Now for the stories in details. Police have reported that a 46-year-old man from Futu residing in Yangaha'ewa was found dead on a roadside over the weekend. Let's take a look. Speaking to Radio Tonga News, Tongatapu Police Commander Halatoa Taufa said that at approximately 7 a.m. on Saturday, Ewa police received a report concerning a man who had been found deceased in front of a residence in Asia, Ewa. According to information gathered by police, the man had attended a gathering at a home in Asia where he had and others consumed alcohol. He reportedly left the residence at around 4 a.m. in the morning on Saturday. Taufa also used the opportunity to remind the public to exercise greater caution when consuming alcohol. At this stage, it is understood that no one has been arrested or charged in connection with the man's death. Police investigations are continuing to determine the exact cause of the death. The Prime Minister Latu Whanua is in Samoa today to take part in country's 64th Independence Day celebration. The Prime Minister's visit followed an invitation from the Samoan Prime Minister La'aulilia Malietoa Shamit to attend the national celebrations. Let's take a look. thousands of people gathered earlier this morning at the Fau Mulinu'u crowd to commemorate the significant occasion. The ceremony began with a flag-raising event and the official welcome of Samoa head of state Tuimalea'i Whano Wa'aleatoa Sualauvi II, who highlighted the importance of recognizing the valuing this day because of its significance in Samoa's history. The celebration also featured a ceremonial parade by the police, along with marches by schools and various government ministries. Also joining the Independence Day celebration were the Speaker or the Chairman of the Legislative Assembly of Fiji Parliament, Honourable Filimoni Chitoko, New Zealand Foreign Minister, Right Honourable Winston Peters, and other leaders from across the Pacific region. The Minister of Lands and Natural Resources, Dr. Daniel Fusmalohi, has announced that surveyors from Fiji will be brought to Tonga to help with the subdivision of land that has not yet been surveyed and allocated. Lydia Taukabo with more on that story.
In a press conference last week, the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources, Dr. Daniela Fusmalohi, says that the shortage of surveyors and limited staffing within the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources have been one of the main reasons for delays in processing and allocating some residential land allotments. To address the issue, Dr. Fusmalohi said the Fijian government has agreed to send surveyors to assist Tonga's surveying teams with the large number of land parcels that are still waiting subdivision. It is estimated that more than 4,000 land lots are currently waiting to be surveyed and processed. However, the exact number of surveyors expected to arrive from Fiji has not yet been confirmed. However, Dr. Fusmalohi, the ministry's goal is to make substantial progress on the backlog, with hopes that the majority of more than 4,000 outstanding land lots will be dealt with by the next financial year. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Lydia Taukapo.
The National Reserve Bank of Tonga has warned that Tonga remains vulnerable to rising domestic prices and a weakened overall economic outlook due to the continuing conflict in the Middle East. Lydia Daugapo with more. The concerns stem from the ongoing tension involving the United States and Iran, which have persisted for the past 3 months, creating uncertainty around global energy supplies and major shipping routes used for transporting fuel. This disruption could significantly affect regional maritime routes, including those used to deliver fuel to Tonga. As a result, if the situation continues for an extended period, fuel import cost, shipping expenses, and the cost of importing goods into Tonga could increase further. International supply chains and shipping routes may also face additional disruptions. In a press release by the National Reserve Bank of Tonga, the bank noted that after 16 months, it has been recorded a significant increase in inflation, with the annual inflation rate reaching 5.5% in April. This is the first time in 16 months that inflation has risen to such a level. The largest price increases were recorded is transportation-related cost, followed by imported food products. The cost of local food services also increased, including prices charged by restaurants and food outlets. Reserve Bank Governor Tatafu Moeaki has projected that import duties and the prices of imported goods entering Tonga could rise further in the future. However, the bank says it will continue to closely monitor the prices of local food products and other goods affected by the ongoing increases in the cost of living. That is your local news for tonight. Sports is up next after this break with Pierre Ollier.
Welcome back in sport. The Sunrise Boxing Club from Longolongo has dominated the opening round of the Tonga Boxing Association competitions 2026. The event was held at the Sonia Mafleo Gym on Saturday. Association Secretary Elonitami Lau told Radio Tongan Sports News the competition got off to a positive start, with several young boxers showcasing their talents in the ring. 5 clubs took part in the competition, with Sunrise finishing on top of the overall points standings. Several sparring bouts were held before the official competition began, with the girls division opening the program ahead of the boys contests. Mr. Dami Lau says the association is encouraged by the potential shown by the young athletes as they prepare for future international competitions, including next year's Pacific Games. The next competition will be hosted by Sunrise Boxing Club later this month, as preparations continue for the national tournament in October. And that's sports news.
That is Bia Olie with the latest sports news. Now for the latest weather update to be presented by Paula from the Tonga Meteorological Services.
Good evening, Tonga. Welcome to your latest update from your Met Service for this evening. Headline for tonight, strong winds still continue across Tonga. Of course, bringing isolated showers expected to start easing by later this week. We'll look into the details later when we look at the forecast for the next 5 days. So the satellite imagery clearly indicate a low cloud that passing through our island division and bringing isolated showers. Of course, most of the time, Tonga experienced mostly fine with isolated showers and of course, strong wind from the east and southeast. Check out the warning for land areas. A strong wind warning still enforced for all of Tonga land areas as of this evening. Strong wind warning and small growth advisory still enforced for all of Tonga coastal waters as well as of this evening. So for the next 5 days starting tomorrow, looking across the Pacific region for the system that dominate the weather in the Kingdom of Tonga. So tomorrow, the high pressure still located the far southeast of Tonga, bringing east and southeast, strong wind, slightly northeast here in the Tonga and the Tongatapu coastal waters. And of course, bringing fine weather most of the time and also isolated showers. Expected the strong wind here in the southern part of Tonga, which are included Tongatapu and Ewa and also the Tonga and the Tongatapu coastal waters to gradually decrease by later Wednesday. Vava'u and Ha'abai expected to start easing by Thursday morning, and most likely we're looking at the strong wind to persist over the New West until the weekend. Let's see how it goes. The high pressure to the far southeast and the active trough just located or lies to the southwest waters. Of course, fine weather, but just looking at the high pressure that is slightly turning the wind direction to the northeast here in the southern part of Tonga. Tongatapu, Ewa, and also our southern waters was slightly to the east and southeast over the central and the northern part of Tonga. And of course, take note that the strong wind will started from the southern part of Tonga and into the central by Thursday this week. So forecast for tonight until early tomorrow, of course, we're still expected fine weather most of the time with isolated showers. Take note, the major concern is the strong wind. The prevailing wind will still from the east and southeast across our coastal waters, but it is rising up to strong wind 25 to 30 knots at times across our coastal waters. Take note that the Tonga and the Tongatapu coastal waters wind slightly from the northeast. Minimum temperature forecast to drop down to 19 to 20 degrees here in Nuku'alofa and Ewa, up to 23 degrees Celsius to the far north of the New West tonight. So stepping forward to tomorrow, Tuesday, of course, still expect pretty fine weather across Tonga. And also strong wind, of course, will continue tomorrow, slightly from the east and northeast here in the southern part of Tonga, still rising up to 25 to 30 knots at times. And of course, east and southeast continue over the central and the northern coastal waters by tomorrow, still rising up to 25 to 30 knots at times tomorrow. Maximum temperature top at 26 degrees here in Nuku'alofa, up to 28 degrees Celsius to the far north of the News by tomorrow. Tide prediction for tonight. High tide tonight at 8:45, and the low tide will be early tomorrow at 2:30. Sunrise tomorrow 10 minutes past 7, and the moonset will be tomorrow morning at 27 minutes to 9 in the morning. Forecast for the rest of the week, we're looking at mostly fine weather. Beautiful sunny shine. It's just expect isolated showers, especially Wednesday and Saturday. As I've said, later Wednesday, the strong wind will start easing here in Nuku'alofa by later Wednesday, with a maximum temperature forecast up to 27 to 28 degrees Celsius in the next 5 days here in Nuku'alofa. And that will be all for this evening from your Met service. Thank you for listening.
And that is Paula Nicola from the Tonga Meteorological Services, and that's wrap-ups for this news this evening. But before we part, here's one final look at tonight's top stories. 46-year-old man from Futu'e was found dead on the roadside. Tonga Prime Minister Lord Fafanua attend Samoa 64th independence celebrations today, and Tonga run reports rising prices due to ongoing Middle East conflict. And that's it for tonight. Thank you for your company. Good evening.